Social networks with their many advantages allow you to move to the side of successful businesses with some effective steps to reach customers, either by sectors, interests, or common themes. It is important to develop strategies that allow reaching these objectives. That is why social marketing is a key tool for any company currently. It is important to interact and know your audience. So initially, establish which is the social network that best suits your product or service, according to your target audience, to establish which network is most used by its users. Segment demographically and focus specifically on those groups. Define your brand image creatively in a way that captures the interest of potential buyers, a first impression. In the same way, think of a gift for your customers that has a lot of value for them, and that in return leaves you with data or information that may be useful later. Use discount coupons that can be used virtually and physically. This is a way to generate brand loyalty, voice-to-voice advertising, and recommendations. Contests are a way to increase followers, be visible on social networks, and be known by new customers. For this, define an objective of the contest, establish the mechanics of the contest, the prizes, the basis of the draw with dates, terms, and conditions, run the contest, and announce the winner. There is no network where you can get more customers than others. It is important to analyze them beforehand and give the correct use to one you choose. For example, Facebook is important to publish very good content, which is very visual, with many images and videos to be remembered. On Twitter, it is advisable to follow profiles that are related to the sector to generate interest in your content. You must interact and publish constantly. Instagram requires a lot of creativity. Since it is a visual application, it can also be used to show manufacturing processes or informal aspects of how the company works. Emotional marketing allows you to reach customers in another way, in this case making them feel like their own, and move from the mind to the heart. It is important to increase the visualization to see that your company exists, to give added value and above all confidence. Offer not only products but also experiences, always with good service and communication.